Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is On 7 Rings by Ariana Grande and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so this song is really easy to play. I'm going to teach you guys the chords, strumming, and then like another variation that I do it. And then also I'm going to teach you guys how to play the kind of like that little melody that you guys hear in the whole song. Alright, so we're going to start off with the chords. Your first chord is going to be a C sharp minor. Then an A. Then F sharp minor. And to an A flat. Or you can also call this a G sharp. Alright, so the strum pattern for this song, I'm going to use it through the entire song, is going to be down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And I'll have the chords on the screen with the strum pattern. You guys can follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is another way that you can play the A flat. You usually play it like this, but then if it's easier for you, you can also play it like this. So this is like a G but 1 fret up. And when you do play it, you don't play the top string. You want to mute that top string. And then another way that I do play it is just by doing the finger picking from the bottom to the top. And you guys don't have to do this. I'm just trying to show you guys another way that you guys could play it, which is kind of cool, but don't even worry about it. So you're just hitting the bottom string and going up. So I created a beat for the guitar lesson if you guys didn't see it. So I'm going to play it here so you guys can hear what it sounds like, and then I'll add in like a reggae strum also to it. Sounds pretty cool. Reggae strum. And then the finger picking. So I'll teach you guys the melody that you hear in the song. It does sound better if you have a low G, because the high G kind of just sounds a little too high pitched, not like the guitar. But yeah, here it is. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the other videos that you guys might be interested in, and I'll see you guys on the next one.